Friends, I can never forget the blessings and the words of wisdom spoken by Maulana Waiduddin Khan. When he said, I still remember, in the year 1996, he said, Professor, I see a great peace messenger walking through the corridors of this institution. I don't know what he meant that time, but he said, I am seeing a great messenger of peace walking through the corridors of this MIT. Someday or the other, I don't know when, but this is going to happen, and this is going to really give a great message to the whole world community. And finally, I still remember Dr. Barlinge sir and myself, because Barlinge sir, even though he was my guru and a teacher and a great guide for my lifetime, but he was not a believer of God. And rather, I was the other way around. I was a firm believer of the concept of God. I being a Varkari cult, I being a Vaishnavite, I had a team of people who were the Vaishnavites, who were the firm believers in the concept of God itself. But Barlinge sir was not a believer in God. But I used to tell him, but he was a great Karma Yogi. I used to tell him, sir, you are not a believer of God, but you are a godly man. आप देव मानुष आहात आपण. Karma Yogi. He doesn't need to go to the temple to make a performance of some puja or performance of a ritual. But Barlinge was a great Karma Yogi, a very unique, godly person. And he used to laugh at that time. But I still remember, friends, I was very fortunate to have some such great people. And finally, I'd like to just show it to you, friends. This is the real outcome of that conference. Philosophers from Dhaneshwara to Dr. Albert Einstein. This was a long journey, and I wrote that article that time before 29-30 years back. And it was Dr. Habbas from America who was conferred and honored for the first time on this endowment lecture series, the Philosophers from Dhaneshwara, Tukaram World Conference, and this endowment lecture series was concluded with that very unique event. And it was the first time an American scholar called Habbas was honored with this endowment lecture series. First prize was given to him, and he read the paper on Dhaneshwara, an American gentleman. There were so many people who read the papers on various issues. I told you, friends, that it was almost about 265 papers were read in 7 days long conference of World Parliament. And finally, of course, we started our journey from this very unique endowment lecture series in the name of Dhaneshwara and Tukaram. And today we stand at the stage of the development and establishment of the first MIT World Peace University.